Get it.
I wish it was a cheap helicopter to let it get it.
Don't crash. Woo!
Get it, Gabby. Get it.
That's what we're doing now. Are y'all getting this?
Yeah.
I hope so. It's funny. Dad, what is that? The dragonfly. That's the funniest thing he's ever done. Just gonna run him into a tree.
Oh, shit.
Do a touch and go.
Get it, Gabby.
That dog's gonna jump on me.
No, just let me know when your battery gets low so
Oh,
I
he
can keep it inside.
landed on the...
No, he'll jump
I
on
hope
this.
he don't climb up on the tonneau cover.
Yeah, he'll jump on the trampoline, man. Yeah, he's not afraid to jump on it. You just let me know when you're ready to jump land.
I got about 30 seconds left.
Come on, Gabriel. Gabriel, come on. Come on.
And your phone's ringing.